So satisfying. Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video. I know, it's been forever. And of course, I've been procrastinating. But I'm gonna make it up to you. From now on, I'm going to be uploading one video every week. Every week. Please unsubscribe me. Sorry, just having problems right now. Today I'm super excited, and the reason why I'm super excited right now is because I'm about to go to Texas.
Wow.
No, not that kind of Texas, like Texas Roadhouse.
Surprise, mother.
If you've never been to a Texas Roadhouse, I'm sorry, we're not friends. Especially here in South Korea. And they just opened one up about 3 weeks ago, I believe, yeah, 3. In Camp Humphreys, which is an army base about an hour away from me. Trust me when I say this. Camp Humphreys definitely needed a Texas Roadhouse. I needed a Texas Roadhouse. You know how long I've had to suffer? Without a Texas Roadhouse. Sorry, this is way too weird right now. All right, so I'm gonna bring it down a little bit. But I'm not going by myself, I'm going with my friend Hook. You'll see a few minutes in this video. We actually came from the same base until we got to this one. And he's the one that actually told me about it. So when he told me, I was like, yes. So we're actually gonna jump right into it. Wait, who? Wait.
Almost broke my damn leg with that shit.
Hey, are you okay?
What's up, man? What's going on, y'all? What you over here lying to these people about, man? This guy, I'm gonna make a video every week. Bro, he only made a video once a damn month, if that. Man, get the fuck out of here. Yo, so I've been working with my boy Golden ever since, what was it, Dayton, Ohio, right, Pat?
Yeah, Dayton, Ohio.
And now we way out here in South Korea at Osan Air Force Base.
Follow my man Hook on Instagram. There's a link down below.
Yeah! It's your boy Hook. Oh, yo! Not one name. Yeah. I don't care, baby, do what you want to. Shake that ass on the nigga, gon' do what they won't do. Yeah. I don't care, baby, do what you want to. Shake that ass on the nigga, gon' do what they won't do.
Yes, bitch, yes. How's that feel, Hook?
Shit feel good, man.
Yeah, you look very comfy.
We should have bought both of our tickets, bro.
We really should have, yeah. Go Humphreys. Alright guys, just an update. We are lost. We are lost. We're just like trying to use other people for their direction. Guide us. Oh wait. Yo, is that it? Is that it?